Welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day number 80. This is events that occurred on November 18th. I had some solar, I did have that too, but I had the solar business. I had a customer that we're working with, and we also have a customer that we're working with, and also a business opportunity person who is interested in a business opportunity. Actually, several people are. So getting really good response for that. Then I did surplus funds. I have my virtual assistant AJ working on that, and she's doing really good. We've got 15 accepted cases. So it's a very laborious process to find these cases. But, if one of them pans out, it's worth it. I mean, she's basically doing this full time, and learning how to do this, and I'm submitting the cases, and she's sending to me, and I review it, and then I send it off because I paid for the education, but more appropriately, I paid for the access to the platform. So I've got surplus funds cases, I've got the solar business. Then I did my exercise. I only did 32 minutes and had a 5-minute jog because then I had to take my daughter to school, and I got started a little bit later, so it shaved off some of the time that I ordinarily do. It's not my goal. My goal is to get on the treadmill, but ordinarily I do 45 minutes of walking when I'm up to it. But I only did 32 minutes with a 5-minute jog on day 80. And then coming back after dropped my daughter off to school, did the ACA sales for 8 hours, then did the Remote Wellness Academy, and then I concluded the day with book buying. So that was my day for day 80. Like, comment, subscribe if you have any questions, and I will talk to you soon.